Want to get the most out of AhaSlides and create presentations that truly engage your audience? Whether you're a teacher, trainer, team leader, marketer, or presenter, mastering AhaSlides can help you deliver more interactive and memorable experiences. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to master AhaSlides in 2026. Start by becoming familiar with AhaSlides' main tools. These include presentation slides, live polls, quizzes, word clouds, brainstorming boards, surveys, and question and answer features. Understanding what each tool does will help you choose the right interaction for your audience. Create presentations with a clear flow. Begin with an introduction, move through your key topics, and finish with a summary or feedback section. A strong structure keeps participants focused and engaged. Don't just add interactions for the sake of it. Use polls to gather opinions, quizzes to reinforce learning, and brainstorming slides to encourage collaboration. Every interaction should support your presentation goals. Take advantage of themes, branding options, images, and visual design tools. A professional-looking presentation can improve audience attention and make your content more memorable. Keep participants involved throughout the presentation. Use icebreakers, ask questions regularly, encourage discussions, and review responses in real time. Active participation is one of the biggest advantages of AhaSlides. After each presentation, review quiz scores, poll responses, and participant feedback. These insights can help you identify what worked well and what can be improved for future sessions. And that's how to master AhaSlides in 2026. By learning the platform's features, building engaging presentations, and continuously improving your approach, you can create experiences that audiences genuinely enjoy. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and make every presentation more interactive than the last. Thanks for watching.